So this is the laundry room at my school. It's $150 per load. And when I do my laundry, I usually have to do like 8 loads of laundry. But today, I think I probably have to do 5 or 6. 6 loads. Going. Good morning, everybody. It's Hello Kathleen Green, and welcome to my channel and Vlogmas Day 8. Can you guys believe that I've been doing this for 8 days straight? Like, I take a whole year off, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it in summer, don't do it in summer. And now Vlogmas, I've been doing it 8 days straight. And that's the thing about setting goals. I set one of my goals as doing Vlogmas, doing videos every single day for the month of December, and look at me doing it 8 days in. Super crazy. But right now I'm just gonna go to Target. Since it's a Saturday, it's a free day for me, so I'm just gonna run some errands. I'm gonna look at 2 apartments, and then I'm gonna eat something because I'm gonna be hungry. There's no rule. Do you have anything that like hires people to like do that, like you know? I don't, but you can find on the book and the phone because there are so many here around. Or maybe we have a friend who's doing. Sometimes when my husband is far away for a week for the job, I have a leaf blower, but I can't maneuver because it's so big a machine and I can't do it. So yeah, look how much I feel. And sometimes I'm coming clean and he's coming to it. It's necessary to do it. Well, what's the part further out? Because we don't have the towel or this part of it. You don't have a yours, this is yours, and this is short. It's short, yeah. Like, help wanted female. They have a lot of nurse history here. It's really cool to see. Teachers, factory workers, clerical. Here's more of the museum. It's a special house. I don't know what it's called, but oh my god, look! An old classroom. This is really, really cute and really cool. A soldier's prayer. Shout out to the troops one time. Oh my god, it works. Oh. Here we go. Wow, these are really easy to type on. Can you guys see my name? Kathleen Brown. Bam! That thing up there scared the shit out of me. That's not a good place for that thing. I forgot that I also wanted to talk to you guys about the second apartment that I saw. So the second apartment was a 2-bedroom. I didn't get any video of it. The tour was really quick, but it was spacious. But the bathroom was like a hotel bathroom, like an old hotel bathroom, like with the wallpaper and stuff. I really didn't like it, but it was really, really spacious, to be honest. Like, the living room was really big. The bedroom was really big. The closet was weird. They had 2 like doors, and then in the middle they had a wall, but then if you look down through either door, then you can see like stuff inside the closet, so it was pretty weird. But it wasn't a bad price. Like, all the apartments out here, like, they're less than $1,000, but some come with utilities and some don't. But the first apartment that you guys are gonna see that I gave the tour earlier in this video, I really like that place. And the landlord lady was pretty interesting. But yeah, we'll see. And the only thing that I'm also worried about, like, is snow removal, because with my asthma in the cold weather, that really doesn't work for me. Like, back at home, I don't shovel anymore either because my asthma just gets so bad that I don't want to risk having a bad attack. You know what I'm saying? So I'd rather avoid it if I don't have to do it. So I guess we'll see what happens with that. I'm just still looking and still just pushing forward with everything. I really didn't get that much footage today. I just went to Target and the museum, just been inspired really most of the day. Took a nap in my car because I was that tired. Sometimes I get so tired that I just sit in my car and meditate and fall asleep. And just so now I'm just doing stuff for my pharmacology quiz. I have this whole little packet of 7 pages. So I'm just gonna study this and edit this vlog for you guys and drink my 2 bags of nettle tea. It's still hella high, I always do that. But thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at HelloKathleenGreen, Twitter HelloKathleenGreen, and Snapchat at BrownKathleen. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Valentine's.